How to delete or remove iOS 27 developer or public beta from your iPhone. So there are two ways to delete or remove iOS 27 developer beta. First, open settings. Here scroll down, tap on general. Here tap on iPhone storage. Here search for update. If you are seeing an option of update, delete that update. If update option is missing, now go back. Now use PC or MacBook to delete the update. I am using the PC. First open any Chrome browser. Here search for 3D tools. Now download this tool. After downloading, open it. Now connect your iPhone with the data cable. Here you can see I am connected with Apple one. After this, here go to Smart Flash option. After this, go to firmware download. Click on it. Here you can see all the updates: iOS 26.4, 26.5, 26.6. Here download the update you want to install on your iPhone. After downloading, install that update on your iPhone. This will update or downgrade your iPhone without any data loss. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.